Christoph Foster here. Wishing you guys a good afternoon. I'm just going to teach you how to properly install some new GT cores into your Swag Vaporesso Swag Kit. Okay, so let's get started, alright? The atomizer. Put them right there. Cool. You just have this guy. Second, we're going to unscrew the bottom base. You can take off the plastic tank. You just have the core and the top piece. So now you can take a nice little paper cloth here, wipe it off. It's a little easier to handle the core on the top piece. Now look, okay, now we're gonna get a fresh core from our GT cores. Let's take a look at a clean coil versus a dirty coil. You're going to wipe down all the pieces. Now sometimes the O-ring will come, this extra O-ring will be on here in your piece. But for mine it's not necessary because it doesn't fit if it's in there. So I just pop that guy off and now it's identical to what I had before. Okay. And the coil, we're going to screw this in. We're not even going to get hand tight. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to prime it. Insert it through the tank. Yes. Remember ready tag with the Lucy. Screw this in here. Screw it tight. Not so good. Screw it back into the final Oh yeah. Also, yeah, don't forget to follow, like the music. Push stuff, lost the baby. Alright now, take care everybody.